Freshman Day 2021 by Kashi Middle.
I'm excited this year because it's a new year and we get to see more faces and we get to play way more sports are available now, and I'm excited for that also.
I'm excited for noise in my classroom rather than silent Google Meets.
I'm excited because I'm in high school.
I'm excited about being back in school and being able to see my friends again.
I am excited about having real students in my classroom and having in-person classes.
I'm excited about all the opportunities Wilbur Cross will give me as a school.